Before we start working on this pallet, I just want to say a few wise words to everybody who is listening now. My first advice is, if you have a good Euro pallet that is useful, that is in good condition, boards are fine, please do not dismantle that pallet, because I know that you get that pallet for free, for example, and you think that you are going to save money by chopping it and using the wood for your other projects. But best way to use this pallet is to sell it. There are companies that are buying these pallets, and my advice is, if you have that option, please sell this pallet in the form as it is and use that money to buy normal or proper wood. Why I am saying this? Because this pallet has 11 boards. If you calculate the boards that you will get from these pallets, it's about maybe 11 pieces of useful wood, and that is equal to 3 boards that you can buy by length of 4 meters that you can buy in your local shop. So there is no economical justification for destroying useful pallet. If you second thing that I want to say is the quality of the wood on these pallets. Good side is that the wood on these pallets is usually dry, that is nice, but there is one other concern that you must take into consideration, and that is the next. In the European Union there is a regulation that tells the producers of the wooden pallets to use chemicals on the wood in order to prevent transporting or spreading the bugs from one country to another. That means that the wood on your pallet is treated with chemicals in order to fight this infestation of the bugs. And this is the most important part of this video. Please do not use wood from these pallets in order to make some products that are going to come in contact with the food. No cutting boards, no dishes, no some other things that are going to be in contact with food. With the wood from these pallets you can build some, let me say, garden furniture, maybe some dog houses, bird houses, something like that. Anything else is out of the limit and is not recommendable. So if you take in consideration all the facts that I have said now, and you're still thinking, okay, I'm going to dismantle this Euro pallet, I'm going to show you. There are a lot of ways how to do it on YouTube, but because of my experience with these things, I will show you the right way how to dismantle the boards without damaging them and to get the maximum of their use. First of all, before you start working on the dismantling, you need to check the pallet to see if there is any cracks on the board. If you notice that the board is not in the condition that to sustain the let me say force of while you dismantling, the best way is to cut the pallet into small pieces, and that way you will get about 10 to 15 pieces of wood that is maybe 40-50 centimeters long, and you can use them for some smaller projects. Okay, so today I'm going to use very simple tools. I'm going to use my crowbar, I'm going to use my hammer, and that's it. No more tools, you don't need any more tools. But you need protection equipment. That on the first place is industrial boots. You need the boots with the hard tip on it. Second, you are going to need glasses. Glasses are particularly important because when we are pulling out the nails, they have a tendency to fly around, and we don't want some of them to end up in your eye. And the last one is the gloves. You need the gloves, so that's all. After this, I'm going to go outside and show you the process how to dismantle the board. This is the standard nail that is used in these pallets. As you can see, it's inserted with the gun, and it has a uneven surface for a better holding power. So this is the position of the nail on the pallet, as you can see. On the upper side we have a cap, and if we try to apply pressure on the board to release it from the upper side, this cap will destroy much bigger surface on the board. That's why the best solution is to apply pressure here on this point with the hammer. In that way these two boards and this nail will stay together, and the only loose part will be this wooden block. In that case a wooden block will come out, and after that we are going just to hit the nail from the lower side and pull it out with the crowbar from the upper side. That is the best way to preserve the boards while dismantling this pallet. Okay, so this is the end of it. You have seen all the complete process how to dismantle these pallets. Once again, I will repeat my advice. If you have a good pallet, please don't dismantle it. Use it as it is, sell it, you will get money, and then you can buy good boards, not like this. Total result of my job is next. From 11 boards I get 10 good boards. I have 8 with 1.2 meters and 3 boards for 80 centimeters and 1 cracked, as I mentioned. There is also 9 pieces of these blocks with chipped wood. This is good for nothing. You cannot even burn because there is a glue inside and the smell is very awful. and gases are very dark, like you're burning rubber. So this is not good for burning. And bunch of nails. Total, every your pallet has around 80 nails. I repeat, 80. That is 80 nails that you need to get out from your pallet. So that was my experience. The rest is up to you. I leave it to your good judgment. As for my channel, if you are satisfied with this video, you can find a lot more on my channel. Please subscribe, leave a comment, good or bad, anything you like. You're always welcome to my channel. Thank you once again, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!